Alright, you are welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at the font style property. Since we have been dealing with fonts, we'll continue on with fonts and we'll be looking at the font style property. This is going to be a very quick video, and what we want to do is we want to style our head 1 and our head 2 to be italicized, and to do that we'll simply just type fonts hyphen style. You put your colon, and then we simply write italic, and you end it up with your semicolon. We're just going to do the same thing in our head 2, and simply font hyphen style. You write your italic. Actually there are two ways to do this, but let's look at the italic way first, and we'll just save this and we'll click refresh here, and you see that our H1 and H2 have been italicized and they are now slanted. Okay, so we can also do, there's a different way to do this, and it's called oblique. Okay, we'll simply do that here also. Oblique, and we'll save this and we'll refresh, and you see that nothing changed. What happened is they both slant your text, both italic and oblique, so you might want to keep that in mind. But really you just have to choose between the two, because there's really no difference really, except for browser specification. 99% of the time both of them would work, except for specific fonts. So if you want to use a specific font, you might want to try both out first to see which one will work, but really you just have to choose between the two, because they both work, and what they do is they just slant your text. So you might want to ask, what if for instance you want to slant just a single word in your HTML document or in your website? Maybe like for instance we want to slant the word sport. It will be best for you to use your HTML document. So we're just going to go to HTML and do that in HTML. So we'll open this up in Notepad, and we're going to be slanting the word sport here. I think we must have done this before, so we just put our the word I, the letter I, inside our angle brackets, open and close. And if we save this up, we simply just refresh our page, and you see that the word sport has been italicized. So that's how you create italic. Or you can also use EM. I'm sure in one of our previous videos we must have done that. You can use EM, and what EM does is, for those who is called emphasis really, for those who cannot see and they are listening to their an audio reader, you see that it slants it, but for an audio reader it will read this differently, so that those who have a visual impairment can know that this is a slanted text. Okay, so that should do it for this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next class.